Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Oluwatunseyi. In today's air fryer recipe, let's see how possible it is to make coconut pasta delicacy with an air fryer. Keep watching, don't go away. We will begin by making the coconut milk. 2 medium-sized coconuts gave me this. They are already chopped into sizes that the blender can handle. I will use 2 cups of water to blend. Pour the coconuts into the blender, add water and blend. This is what we have after blending. Pour into a sieve and try to get as much milk as you can. The recipe is not a waste. It can still go into some of your homemade recipes. It is rich in fiber. I actually need 2 cups. It's a little below 2 cups, but I'm okay with it. Here is the pasta I'm going to use. This is a thin pasta. It requires a short time to cook. I will use half of it. This is what I will use. I'll parboil for about 5 minutes. This will be done off camera. Here is the already parboiled pasta. We have our lightly cooked chicken with the chicken stock. Here is coconut milk we just made. And I have freshly plucked oregano leaves. Look at this. Get a pot. Add your ingredients one after the other. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of ginger, half teaspoon of ground chili pepper, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. This is optional and can be omitted. Measure 1 cup of chicken broth or chicken stock and pour into the pot. Pour the pasta and stir. Pour the coconut milk. Start putting the chicken. As the pieces of chicken are being grilled or fried, they are going to serve as covering for the pasta, so as to reduce the heat that will directly get to the pasta. Find a way to dip the oregano into the whole preparation. Place the pot into the air fryer using the bake function of 175 degrees Celsius. Set the time to 25 minutes. Our coconut pasta is ready. Look at what we have. The seemingly dry or burnt parts are those not completely covered with the chicken. Thanks so much for watching this video to this point. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Give this recipe a try. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, and also click all so you get notified each time I post a video. Till I see you in my next video, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.